Good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to solve the NPTEL Cloud Computing Week 7, Assignment 7, which last date is 12 March 2025. Now, let's start to solve the question. Guys, you can see there are 10 questions. Okay, we will try to attempt the 10 questions one by one. You can see here, this is Week 7, Assignment 7, Cloud Computing NPTEL. Okay, now let's start the first question here. Which of the following option is correct about the geographic informations? Geographic information statement 1 is geographic information could be static or dynamic. Second one is geographic information is varies in scales. Third statement is population of a city town is static geographic informations. So the first two statements, statement 1 and 2 is true, and the last option you may see is a false statement. Population of a city town is a static of geography. It is not static because see the populations in such a year, if it is 5 lakhs, next year it may be increased. So it is not a static, it is dynamic. Okay, so you can choose option A. Statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 3 is false. Okay, we have a little more discussions about these questions. See. So the statement 1, why we say true, the geographic information can be static, fixed coordinate or landmarks. Okay, so or dynamic, you can say, that is when the real time traffic is assigned. But statement 2, geographic data varies in scale, requiring different resolutions or granularity. Statement 3, we can say it is a false statement because population is dynamic, not static. Already have said it is a dynamic, it's not static. It changes over the time due to birth, due to death and migration, contrary to fixed geographic features like elevations. It's like that. So it is not static, it is dynamic. Okay, it is changed over the time. So 1 and 2 are the correct statement. Statement 3 is a false statement. Moving to the one, option A, this one. Moving to the question number 2. Which of the following is true about the geographical information system? Choose the most appropriate options. 3 options are given. First option is variable load of the GIS server needs to dynamic scaling of the resources. GIS uses network intensive web services. GIS requires a high level of reliability. All of this. You may choose all of this. All of these 3 sentences are correct. All of these are correct because you can see in this past statement, geographic servers handles variable loads, that is peak uses during the disasters, requiring dynamic scaling in cloud environment. Second statement, GIS relies on the network intensive of web services, that is map titles, real-time data, leveraging cloud connectivity. Third one is high reliability is critical for GIS, emerging response systems, ensuring high cloud redundancy. Fourth one is encompasses all the making it most appropriate choice for the cloud computing principle. So we choose all of the options, that is option D. Got it? Now, moving to the question number 3. Which of the following is not the benefit of the cloud computing? Not the benefit. Benefit, if there high latency, is there a benefit? No, it is not a benefit. Middle in the man attack is a benefit? Not, it is not a benefit. So we may choose 3 options C and D. 3 options C and D. Okay. See, we are going to explain the option 1. Option 1 is location awareness. Fog nodes process data locally, leveraging proximity. Okay, so it is benefits. Improving quality of services, it is a benefit. Reduce latency and better service delivery, it is a benefit. But high latency is not a benefit. Fog aims to reduce latency. Unlike cloud-only systems, high latency is a drawback. Yes or no? Then moving to the last option, man in the middle band again not a benefit, but a security risk, not inherent to for fog advantage. Okay, so we may choose the option C and D. It's not a benefit. Okay. Now moving to the question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following statement is false about code offloading? Code offloading using cloud. Statement 1. The architecture reduces latency by using the multi-hop network. Second is the it is potentially lower battery consumptions by using short range radio. Using short range radio. So both the statements are correct. Here statement 2 is correct. Okay, but statement 1 is incorrect. Got it? For option B. For option B, statement 2 is correct, but statement 1 is incorrect. For option B. Why statement 2 is correct, but statement 1 is incorrect? Code offloading with cloudlets. Cloudlets are small-scale cloud data centers located at edge of a network closer to mobile devices. They are used to reduce latency and improve the performance of the mobile applications. In statement 1, the architecture reduce latency by using multi-hop network. This is incorrect. Cloudlets are designed to reduce the latency by bringing computing resources closer to the users, thereby minimizing the number of network hops. They aim for a single or very few hop. That's why it is an incorrect statement. Second statement is correct because it is potentially lower battery consumption by using the short range radio means by uploading computation to a near cloudlet using short range communication technology like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile devices can reduce their power consumptions compared to sending data to a distance cloud server. That's why we choose statement 2 is correct. Statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 is incorrect. For option B. Moving to the question number 5. Question number 5. Which of the following are some of the key components of the mobile computing? Choose the most appropriate one. Key component. Solver is also a component. Synchronizer is also a component. Then profiler is also a component. So we choose all of the above. Got it? We choose all of the above. What is solver? Solver in mobile or cloud computing is a solver component responsible for executing complex computational tasks. Executing complex computational tasks that are uploaded from the mobile device to the cloud. The cloud involves tasks like data analysis, image processing, or running simulations. Then what about synchronizer? This component ensures that data application states are kept consistent between the mobile device and cloud. It handles tasks like data synchronization, backup, and restore. Then what is profiler? Profiler component collects performance about data about the application running on the mobile devices and the cloud. The data can be used to identify bottlenecks, optimize performances, and make decisions about which task to offload to the cloud. All these components are crucial roles in enabling functionality and benefits of the mobile cloud computing. That's why I choose all the above. Moving to the question number 6. Which of the following statements are the false about fog computing? Which statements about false? False is intelligence is brought to the cloud from the end user. It is a false statement. Second is fog computing used for real-time application. Yes. Third one is fog nodes response time is much higher than cloud server. No. This is a false statement. Network router Wi-Fi gateway will not able to capable of running application. This is also a false statement. 6A, C, D. 6A, C and D. A, C and D. A is a false statement because for bringing intelligence to the edge, not cloud, from end users. B is a true statement. Why B only is a true statement? Fog supports real-time application due to low latency. That's why it is a true statement. Rest C and D is a false statement because fog nodes have the lower response time. That is faster than cloud server due to proximity. Again, D option is a false statement. Router and gateway can run fog application. That is fog nodes. So false statements are A, C and D. A, C and D. Moving to the question number 7. Moving to the question number 7. Fog computing enables are. You may choose virtualizations, service-oriented architecture. May consider service-oriented architecture, but still you have to explain one by one. Why choose only virtualization only? See, in fog computing, virtualization key enablers allow fog nodes to run multiple tasks efficiently. Okay, multiple tasks efficiently, virtualization machine or containers. Okay, that's why I choose virtualization. Clear? That's why I choose virtualization for computing enablers. Second, big data, a use case, not an enabler. So it will not. That's one. Third one is service-oriented architecture. Support fog, but it is not a core enabler. Last statements, D is incorrect. Virtualization is an enabler. D is incorrect. Virtualization enablement is none of these. Okay. So only we choose virtualizations. Okay. 7 option A. Now moving to the question number 8. Which of the following features of mobile cloud computing? Which of the following are the following features of mobile cloud computing? Features. Asking about features. Use less mobile devices resources because applications are cloud supported. Yes, these are features. Reduce reliability with information backup. Not a features. Mobile devices connect to service devices through the API architecture is also a features. 8 option A and C. Now we'll discuss some features. We discuss about the features. We choose option A and C. First one is choose A means true. That is offload computation to cloud, reduce the device load. Second one is false because increase reliability via cloud backups, not reduced. We choose option C is true because API connect mobile apps to the cloud services. And last one we select is a false statement because speed of development, management, not slow it is. So we choose option A and C, the key features of mobile cloud computing. Now, moving to the question number 9. Which of the following are the challenges of a geospatial cloud? Geospatial cloud challenges. Scaling and spatial database is also challenges. Policy management among the tenants is also challenges. Implementation of spatial database is also challenges. A, B, C. The 3 options are the biggest challenges. A, B, and C. Why do you consider the challenges? First one is scaling of spatial database. Means scaling spatial database is a complex due to large multi-dimensional data. That's why it is a challenge. Second one is policy management among the tenant. Means multi-tenant environments require policy management for access control. Third one is also implementation of a spatial database. Means implementation of database in cloud. That is indexing is a challenge. So the option A, B, C are the key challenges of geospatial cloud. Now, moving to the last question, consider the following statement. Statement 1, geospatial cloud helps to integrate data from heterogeneous backup into service. Second, data services can be inside or outside of the cloud environment in geospatial clouds. We choose both the statements are the correct statements. Both the statements are the correct statements. Let's have a simple discussion on it. Why we consider that both statements are the correct statements. See, statement 1 is saying about geospatial cloud integrates diverse data sources, that is GIS, remote sensing, okay. And says, statement 2, data services can be cloud hosted cloud hosted or external. That is on-premises database is a flexibility of the cloud system. That's why it is a true statement. So here we consider both the statements are the correct or true statements. Okay. Now I'm going to submit the answer of this question. You can see, thank you for taking week 7 assignment 7. Your answers are successfully submitted. Okay. Guys, we attempt the 10 questions one by one. If you have any questions, any doubt, you may put your comments in my YouTube comment box. And if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. You can share this video, informative video, with your friends so that the other people will be benefited. Till then, take care yourself. Bye.